We've gotten a lot of questions on 924Cs, specifically, well, what if the gun that I had was a legal gun and it's not a street gun, it's not a gun with an obliterated serial number? And can you do a 924C and be charged when you have a legal gun? This is the legal answer to the question, and it's not what you want to hear. Actual statute doesn't specify legal gun, does not matter. So both illegal guns and legal guns could be prosecuted under 924Cs if they are connected to a crime of violence or a drug offense. With that said, whether or not a gun is legal or not legal is a factor, at least in the Second Circuit, that the courts take into account to determine, was this gun used in furtherance of the crime of violence or in a drug trafficking? And I think the logic is, well, if you had a legal gun, and if the gun was licensed, and if you had a permit for it, and if there was nothing criminal about the actual gun, maybe that's a factor that cuts against whether or not the gun was used in furtherance of a crime of violence or a drug trafficking offense. So yes, you can still be prosecuted for a 924C, even if you have a real gun. And the only benefit that you get with a gun being legal is that it's a factor that the court can take into consideration.